Hit the subscribe button and bell icon and never miss an important health update.
Hi, my name is Dinesh Fernando. I'm 33 years old. I'm from the beautiful island of Sri Lanka. I was diagnosed with classical Hodgkin's lymphoma at the age of 27 in the year of 2014. My doctor here in Sri Lanka advised me to go for a PET scan along with a bone marrow transplant. So I decided to go overseas and do this procedure. While we were searching, we found out about Yashoda hospitals in Hyderabad, India, where my uncle's friend was really recommending the place to go and do our procedure. From then onwards, Yashoda hospitals was very coordinative and very professional enough to coordinate our trip coming to India. Since day one that we step out of Sri Lanka and from airport to the hospital, Yashoda Hospitals has been so professional to help us in various ways. We consulted Dr. Ganesh Jaisetwar for my bone marrow transplant procedure and as well as the other procedures. I straight away went for a PET scan to check my current status, and to my surprise, I'm happy to say that I was in a complete remission at that period. So, with the advices of Dr. Ganesh, I decided to go for a bone marrow transplant in the same hospital with all the necessary supportive staff, especially the nursing staff, the dietitians, and all other administrative staff, the management, and the FMB staff, the minor staff. From top to the bottom, they were very professional and so friendly to help me. Finally, I would love to give a message to all of you. Most of the cancers can be cured. Especially, you could come to Yashoda hospitals for any specialty. I do really recommend the place where you could come and be comfortable in your treatments, get cured, and get into the normal track in your life. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Ganesh Jaisetwar, hematologist, hemato-oncologist and bone marrow transplant specialist from Yashoda Group of Hospitals, Hyderabad. Today, it is such a pride moment for all of us, particularly the oncology, hemato-oncology and bone marrow transplant team of Yashoda Group of Hospitals, because more than 5 years post-successful bone marrow transplant for his blood cancer that was relapsed refractory Hodgkin's lymphoma. So Mr. Dinesh Fernando, one of our close associate patient from Sri Lanka, he approached us in 2016 with relapsed refractory Hodgkin's lymphoma, a kind of blood cancer arising from the lymphatic system and which was not responding well to chemotherapy. Normally, Hodgkin's lymphoma is a type of blood cancer or lymphoma which cures in more than 80% cases with chemotherapy alone. And about 10 to 20% patients where the Hodgkin's lymphoma is not cured with chemotherapy alone, you need bone marrow transplant to cure such diseases. When we took him for bone marrow transplant, it was one of the most challenging Herculean tasks because he has various complications, including a very serious lung infection which required mechanical ventilation for a very, very long period of time, and he was kept in ICU with absolutely zero neutrophil count. He succeeded that infection, he came out of that infection, he overcome, he as in his family members along with our team were successful in getting him out of the very serious lung infection. I can say in cancer, in oncology, the survival without disease exceeding 5 years is synonymous with operational cure from that cancer. So 5 years of survival without cancer is cure, and our beloved Dinesh Fernando can be practically labeled as cure from the relapsed refractory Hodgkin's lymphoma because he has he is almost crossing 5 years post bone marrow transplant for his Hodgkin's lymphoma. Mr. Dinesh Fernando is an epitome of hope, positivity, and to understand what a belief and hope can bring about. Like the famous saying by Saint Francis of Assisi, start by doing what is necessary, then what is possible, and suddenly you are doing what is impossible. And Dinesh Fernando has just proved that. So, friends, I just wanted to deliver one important message across the society here, that blood cancer in particular is not the end of the road. There are a number of newer treatment options, treatment modalities, newer techniques and technologies, including one of the most advanced treatment option for blood cancers is bone marrow transplant. So with bone marrow transplant and all these newer treatment options like immunotherapy, targeted therapy, many blood cancers can be completely cured. So diagnosis of blood cancer is not the end of the road. Be courageous, be faithful, and don't lose your hopes. Consult your blood cancer specialist. With courage, hope, and teamwork with the blood cancer specialist, many blood cancers can be completely cured. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.